Hi, this is Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal, and today we're going to make 2 teacher cards. Very simple, and we're going to be using these adorable pencils from Dollar Tree. Aren't they cute? They're paper pencils, and I found them in the teacher section at Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So I went ahead and I stamped out some thank yous and ABC sentiment, and this is from the teacher appreciation stamp set. So it's super adorable. You can use whatever you want from that. And let me just show you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut these little sentiments out, and we're going to put these on our card. Real fun, simple, easy to cut out. And I'm just going to go barely around the edge here, doing my little fussy cutting. So if you want to go on a line, you can, but I'm just going to go just around the outside there. Just give it a little bit of a white outline. And then of course I'm going to mount this on my card. So this is a quick and easy way to make cards for a bunch of teachers. If you have a child that has several teachers, or if you just want to do something kind for your local school, you can do that. And these came with 10 of these in a pack. So a really good bargain for $1. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the other one out, but I wanted to show y'all how I do my fussy cutting. And we'll be back in a moment. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue everything down. And another idea I thought would be to take some of this ribbon, this cute red polka dot ribbon, and just put a little bit across the sides there. So I think I'm going to do that. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that now. About right there. I'm just eyeballing it. I think that would look cute. Let's see. Oh, that looks so cute. I'm going to have to do it for the other one too. So this is a great card. You don't have to wait for Teacher Appreciation Week or the end of the school year. You can send something to let a teacher know that you appreciate them throughout the year. Okay, so one, I'm going to have a horizontal card and a vertical card. Just want you to see what it looks like with both of them. Just take a little bit of this right there. And look at that. So you can decorate, you can put little sequins or gems, or you can just leave it plain. It still looks cute. And look at that. So now I'm going to go ahead and glue this on. And look at that. The paper on both sides looks really cute. This is the back to school paper pack that we carry in our store. I'll put the link below for it. It's the paper kit actually. And it's got the 12 by 12 paper. So I'm trying to kind of use all my papers and make some more things. I hope this is giving you a pretty good idea. I want to go back to that section at Dollar Tree and see what else I can find. It's going to be cute. See what else I can find in that area that would be great for card making. But this right here is such a cute idea. I'm going to love using these up and making different things. Yeah. And it's pretty sturdy too. It's got a nice little weight to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our sentiments on here. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and mount this. I think it'll look better if it has some mounting tape on it. those extra little details. I don't have my little pokey tool with me, so just have to use my fingers right now. Okay, so you can really have fun decorating the front of your card. See how cute that is? Really easy. And if these come in 10 in a pack, you can make 10 cards for the teacher. But I know many of you, this is going to give you so many different ideas for different things you can create. Okay, get that off. All right, and just a little thank you. And then I can stamp a sentiment on the inside. I'm just going to put a thank you right there. Let's see. Right about there, I think will be good. Look at that. Look how that's coming together. Let's put the other one on here now. And I just want you to see if I just, what it looks like if I just put it down on the plain white card. Just like that. So that one's going to stand up like this. Now I could cut this off. You know, I had to do it. Let's see what this looks like. And I'm just eyeballing it. 1 and 2. Just like that. And it will stand up. I want y'all to see how it'll stand up. It'll stand up like that. Look how cute that looks. So now you've got a pencil card, right? I just cut around it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my sentiment on, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and added some stitching right around the sides here. I added the thicker stitching on this one, and look how adorable that is. And these cards are a little bit longer than normal. All I did was I folded my cardstock and measured around the pencil. So the pencil is a pretty nice size, but I wanted it to fit in there. So now I can take some of my stickers, and this is from that back to school paper pack, and I can take some things off of here. Let's see, this is really adorable. And I can just kind of have my stickers somewhere on here, maybe put something down there, balance it out a little bit. I do like it right there too, just kind of coming off the side. See, let's go ahead and put that on there. I'm just going to add a little bit of art glitter glue, but the stickers really stick good. So in that paper pack you get a huge amount of stickers, and as you can see I've used a lot of them already. That just adds a little bit of something to it. It looks super adorable. Look at that. And let's see, I'm going to put something in the corner. I don't want to really add too much of the sparkly stuff. Here's another sticker right here. I can put that right there just to give it some balance. Okay, and let's just add one sticker to that one. Got little pencils. It's just all kinds of stuff on here. School is cool. Got a paper clip. Oh, look at the clock. Now that is cute. So I'm going to put a clock maybe right here underneath, kind of to balance that off. There's so much you can do with this. And you can take these and decorate the inside, right? So now I can open this up. And I can put some stickers on the inside. Let's see. Back to the books, I could stamp a sentiment in here as well. Maybe put something in here. I'm going to write a personal message to my teacher. The light bulb went off, right? Look at the light bulb. Look how cute that is. Okay. This is a really cute idea. Okay, so now if I want, using my stamp sets, now I can go back in. So I haven't decided yet. I can take the We Appreciate You, or Teachers Are the Best, Good Job, You Are an Inspiration. I could do You Rocket and stamp the rocket in there too. But just two adorable stamp sets to use, and just to say thank you to the teachers. So I hope you find these pencils at Dollar Tree. They are so fun to decorate with. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.